YouTube, welcome. It's your boy, Al Mac. If you like this channel, please subscribe, hit the bell notification, and you will be notified immediately upon any video that I upload. Today, I'm discussing a topic that I had with my wife. How much riding is too much riding? And you know, this is very controversial for a lot of people because we have families and whatnot, and you know, and a lot of times, you know, and I've fallen guilty of this, my motorcycle riding has sometimes taken priority over certain weekends and whatnot that I should have spent with my family. And we've all, well, not we've all, but I've fallen into this several times where it's like, well, I've made riding plans with a buddy, but then my wife wants to do something too. Or I've made riding plans with my club, but my wife or my kids, they want to have like a family day. And I'm not saying this happens all the time, but sometimes I'm like, hey babe, you know, I can't cancel this ride. You know, I really want to ride today. So I especially if it's something like really twisty or in the mountains, I'm like, man, I gotta hit this ride. So how much riding is too much riding, you know? And I don't know, guys, you know, typically for me, I do between 15 to 20,000 miles in a year. That's about what I'm averaging. And my motorcycle is my main source of transportation. So I get more miles on my motorcycle than I do in my car. And I'm proud to say that, you know, I enjoy every ride that I go on. Well, not every ride, but the majority of the rides that I go on. And that's whether I'm making a grocery store run, or I am touring, or I'm commuting to work. You know, I just enjoy being on my motorcycle. And like, for the most part, you know, I don't believe that I can do too much riding. I mean, you know, for me, most weekends I'm out riding, and I'm out riding for about 5 to 6 hours every Saturday. And that's because I live in an area where we have a lot of motorcycle roads. Whether I'm in Virginia, DC, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, you know, these are all areas that I can access within 2 hours. So I really do a lot of riding, guys, and there's so many areas that I haven't explored that I want to do. So, you know, I spend a lot of time on my motorcycle, and you know, this is something that I truly have a passion for. And for everybody that has a passion for this and that joins me with this passion, you know, most will understand that I don't think you can really do too much riding. We kind of love what we do. And you know, I hear a lot of people and they say, well, Al, you know, sometimes you're gonna, at some point you're gonna have to give this up. You know, you're gonna get older, and you're gonna, you know, get towards a retirement stage, and you're gonna have to stop riding as much as you do. And for those people, I say, well, actually my plans are, when I get older and I retire, I'm gonna ride more. That's where bikes like the Goldwing was built for, because now I don't have to work. And you're telling me that I can just spend like a month on the road or so? Oh, I'll definitely do that. You know, I'm one of those people that I can go 2-3 weeks on the road. I've done it. So, you know, now you're telling me that I don't have to work. Oh man, it is on, you know. So, you know, when I think about my riding life altogether, I know that sometimes I overdo it, and I really need to slow down some. And you know, because sometimes it can be raining and stuff, and I'll still jump on my bike for a ride, so that's kind of overdoing it. But I don't know if I could really say that, you know, a person can ride too much, guys. You know, you just have to enjoy what you're doing. And you know, for those people that are weekend warriors or casual riders, I get it, you know, and that's for you. You really enjoy your weekends or your once a month, and that's enough riding for you. But for me, I really do have to ride, and that's why in the winter I have winter gear, and I don't stop riding because it's 30. You know, I just put on my winter gear and I head out, because after like a week of not riding, I get an itch to be on the road, and I gotta go do something, you know. So I don't know if we can do too much riding, guys. What do you guys think, guys? What's your opinion on this topic? Can you ride too much? You know, is there a person that you know that you think is overboard when it comes to riding? If you like this video, guys, please subscribe to my channel. And upon subscribing again, hit the bell notification and you will be notified upon any video that I upload. It's your boy Al Mac, and I'm out.